Okay guys, back again, last part, the part number 3. We left with this, okay, and we want to achieve this really nice website. Okay, so we are going to focus on this left side, which is like displaying all of the articles using cards. So it's going to be a lot of CSS, FlexBox. We're going to use some nice JavaScript also method to be able to display multiple articles dynamically. So yeah, let's just dive into it and create what we need is actually to break down a little bit the code. So this is like everything is like on top of one another in only one file, but we want to have a nice architecture. This is going to be like more scalable. If you want to basically continue the website and add a lot of pages, you need to have like a pages folder and stuff. Okay, so just remember before coding this part, you need to have this asset and data folder. You might be able just to download it from the GitHub if you don't have it, but yeah, just in case, if you kind of feel like you don't have this already, just double check. We're just going to use those two during this tutorial. Okay, let's just let's just create the pages folder. Not the pages directly, it's called homepage, and let's call the file homepage. Oh my god, .js again. You're kind of used to it, guys. Homepage dot style.js, and obviously the index file for the export. Okay, this is going to be to start just homepage. Let's try homepage. This is just to check if everything is working like every time we used to do. Import homepage, and you want to this might be really small. Sorry guys, I don't know what I what I clicked. I guess this is what we had. Maybe not that big. All right, I guess this is what we had before. Maybe like this. I don't know, guys. Okay, I'm gonna just try to code like this. Maybe it's gonna be better for you guys. It looks really big on my screen. Anyway, so in export, you want to export it as an object. Obviously. Okay, so this is really big, guys. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to touch it ever. And this is where basically we want to have the spotlight inside, inside the actual homepage. All right. Obviously we need to import that, and of course it doesn't want to import automatically. Okay. Again, component. And spotlight, just like this. Okay, and let's try homepage. I think I might be able to just, I don't know why it doesn't want to do like this. This is like an automatically, not sure if this is gonna work. Okay, it's working because I did refresh the page and we basically moved that part into the homepage part. So if this is showing on the screen, it means that this is working. Okay. Okay, so what do we want in our homepage? We want the spotlight, and we want like kind of like article section, which is going to contain the whole articles of the actual website. So let's build that. Let's create like a div. So we basically want also like a div here. This is going to be like content, which is going to basically contain everything inside my homepage. And then we're going to have like, let's call it news container. Okay. And this is going to be like the whole news. So the left part and also the vertical part, which is going to be after that tutorial, and we are going to focus on something called articles section. It's not a class, so articles section. And this is where you're going to have like all of your article cards. Okay, so for example, this is where we can start to style our first card. So let's call, I would say, card, article card. And for example, our article card is going to contain an image. Obviously, it's going to contain a title. So I guess title, and I guess description. And I think we have like, so if we take a look, so okay, on the left it's not really that nice, but if you take a look at what we need like, we need an image, we need a divider, which is like that little line, and we need like description, and we need another section, which is like the bottom one, which is going to contain three different parts, which is like the like part, comments, and the more. Okay, so it's a bit of work. Okay, so the divider. Okay, so this is going to be like just a line, so you don't need to have like an open div for this one. Then you're gonna have like the, okay, I'm gonna call it the data section. You can call it like maybe like I don't know, links section. You can call it as you wish. And all of those needs a class name. So the first one will be like icon, and this is going to display like the actual icon. So let's say like, and oops, and we're gonna have like the number after that. Okay, and we need like 3 of them like this. Okay, so this is more going to be like comments icon, and like obviously comments. Well, this is not going to be comments, but it's going to be an icon at the end, but just so we can see. So this is going to be just like over more. If you want to read more about that, just more links. And they're going to be like, it's going to be like an arrow, something like that. It doesn't, it's just going to have a dash. It's not going to like, so if we take a look now on what we want to do, what we have, it's not that nice, but at least we can have like a skeleton of our article cards. Okay. Okay, so before moving on, you can actually see that we are actually like styling the article component in the home page file, which is not it's fine because the component is like really small, but sometimes you're gonna have like a really big component already, so you want to really, as much as possible using React, you want to like break everything into component that you can reuse. So yeah, the good behavior of that is like basically you take that article card. Okay, let's cut that. You want to go to component, new folder, article card. Okay, same as before, index.js file for the export. Article card .js6. Okay. Okay, and boom, you want to just have something like that. Article cards. Okay, obviously the style. Oops, sorry. .js. You do want to do right now the export import, because I'm gonna forget all of that if I don't do it now, and you want to export it as an object. Yeah, alright, close it, never open it again. And then yeah, let's do directly the style stuff, because I always forgot to export it. Okay, so exports, it's gonna be a styled container, and you want to do like style.div. You can do like I said, style.p if you want a paragraph, style. Section or whatever you want. You can even have like variables inside. This is going to be really basic though. Let's say just like display flex, I guess. Or this is a card, so flex direction colon, okay. Colon. Okay. Take it, and you want to directly use it over there, otherwise you're gonna just like forget about it like I always do. Not that. Okay. Space, and I want to use it right there. Oh, come on. Did I? And I hope that now it's still there. It is, so it's working, okay? So let's go back to the style of the card. Okay, I'm gonna just like add like an image so we can play a little bit with it. So like I said, use the assets folder that I have right now. I think I have like 1, 2, I can have like fake newspaper, okay. I love the darknet one, so I'm gonna use that one. My computer is so slow, sorry. So yeah, import, and you call it darknet image from the asset folder slash, I think it's just like darknet.jpg, I think darknet.jpg, yes, and then you just use it right there. So obviously curly braces. So I think this is gonna be like really big. Okay, so let's do it. Oof. Yep. So what you want to do is like right away, you want to style that. So you want to target it. So article card, and like you can tackle the actual element itself, because we're gonna have only one image by card. Okay. So article card. Don't forget to use the selector. And you want to right away like image. You can do max width. I think I had like 400 pixels for this card. Okay. Come on. Okay. So yeah, this is, oops, what happened? Oh, my computer is so slow that this is taking like 10 hours to display the actual image in the CSS. Okay, so this is way better for the, at least the width. Okay. So let's just add some like a bit of, so first I want to have like the card maybe in the middle so I can style it a little bit more easier. Okay. So what I want is going back to homepage.style, which I didn't do anything about. I'm gonna have like a style container also, and just do like a display center, stuff like that. Just for the actual development part. Style container, style.div, and I think I just want to double check. I don't want to mess up something that could be bad. No, it's exactly what I wanted to do. So it's just like a display. You can do a display flex and like just to justify center, and you do center is gonna, so display flex is by default horizontally. So if you do justify content, this is gonna use the horizontal basically feature, so you can center it. Okay. So if I go back, if you want me to go back, and if I do this, this is doing nothing, and I know why. Again, every time. Nope, it's only one level up. Wow, this is really slow, like really slow. Okay, then we have an issue right now, as you can tell. Okay. We have the content, and we have the article content. Well, content is only for that, but this is definitely what I wanted. I think content content is meant to be the whole thing. Yep, that's what I wanted, guys. Sorry, it's a bit late. I'm tired. Okay, so let's go back to what we wanted to style. The actual card itself. So we have an image. We have then the title. So let's do the title. Title, we want to, font size 25 pixel. Okay, like again, I love to just background color light. Please light cyan, something like that. Coral. Okay, is it working? Oh God, this is really slow. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it is working. As you can tell, we need to basically, for the content part, we want to have the width will be like pixel. This is for the home page, right? Because we want something like that. Okay. Nice. So we actually, obviously we're going to style the title, okay, because it's definitely going out of the page. Article card, title, okay. We're going to do border, I think. Article card border, because we want to be able to see what we are doing. So background, we want to do like border. Let's do solid 1 pixel black, and then you can take a look at what your card look like. Okay, this. Boom. Okay. And we actually want the article up. Wow. Okay. This is going to be way better. So we have our, like, this is the base of the card. Now we are going to dive right into the actual fun part. Font family. Going to use the props again. I think it's prop.theme.fonts.secondary. And then we want to align the text. Yeah. And also I think we're going to need some padding because this is way too close to all of the borders, so we want to do like I think it's like, yes, it's 5, 10, 0 and 10, and I'm going to explain to you why we do this. Okay, so the 0 is for the bottom because we don't actually need it now. Okay, but I wanted to have some space on the left and on the right, and also on the top. You don't see the space on the right and left because the title is a short one, but I'm going to use like a classic one. You're going to see why I do this. So let's like copy paste the title from the actual document itself. Which one? This one. Okay, let's do this. Title. And okay, now that I'm here, let's use also like the description that come with it. Okay. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. Okay, now you can see that on both sides I wanted like a limit. Okay, so it doesn't like touch the sides. Okay, so I think we're good for like the title. We just want to now, style the description part. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, article cards, and then let's do the actual description, or we have a divider. Yes, no, I wanted to do the divider. You know, like the line between the description and the actual title. So it's going to be 1 pixel, the actual width. We take a little bit less than the not 50%, but just a bit less than 50%. Gonna add some border radius to it, 10 pixels. Let's see if we can actually spot that, or if it's just too small. Background color is gonna be, I'm gonna use some props over there. Props is gonna be like arrow props dot theme dot background. I think it's background. Oh, I think it's colors dot background dot light black. Okay, let's see if we have an error. We don't have an error, and I can spot it right there. It still takes like 10 days to reload. I don't know what's going on. Let's take a look. Oh, 88 degrees, and my processor is like 72%. Okay, guys, I hope my computer is just going to last until the end. Anyway, so weird. Maybe I have Docker open. Forgot to close it after work. I don't know. Okay. So yeah. So let's say background. Okay. I think we still. Okay. So what something we forgot about is like we want in the article card to like center everything. And so did we do the display stuff? Yeah, we did. Article card display flex. You actually want to do this right there. It's way better. And you want to do like align items. Yeah, like center. Let's see what it does. I think it's gonna just center everything. Yeah, it does. You can see that the last part centered, and also this one. Like I can't really like select it, but the actual divider did. We're gonna remove that one at the end. We really don't want to have some borders like this. I think we're good. Oh no, we're not. We need to add some margin actually. Margin top. I think it's 13 pixel. You can like 15, 20 if you just like whatever you judge is better looking for you. Just decide what you want. This is just something when I did that tutorial, this is just something I found that was nice. So yeah, but you can add like even 3. I think I did. Yeah, you can add whatever you want, guys. I'm not like a designer, so I try to do something nice, but I just love code. I just love to code. Yeah, does look good. I think we're gonna. Oh, sorry. Let's keep swiping left. We're gonna take that part and we're gonna put it inside the description part. So we can take a look at what we are gonna now look at. Okay, it took 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay. Okay, I think the font size is fine for the title part. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Description, guys. So what do we want? We want to have something like that. So it's different from the title, obviously. Okay. So let's style that. So the font size first. I'm gonna just try. Okay, font size. Let's do like I think 12, 13, 15 actually. Okay, font size 15 pixels. The font family actually is going to be the same. I know it's like you need to follow the dry stuff. It's the do not repeat to self. But the thing is, for now, I don't know what I'm going to do at the end. If I want to refactor this or not, depends on how many times I do use it. So let's see. Text align is going to be obviously center. I'm gonna need some padding. I think 12 pixel. Yeah. So how does it look like? It's already better, right? We want to have a font weight of 300, and we want the actual color of the text, we want to go black. You can do black like this, or you can just use like something like that. It's the same. Okay, yeah, you can see this bit like more of gray stuff now because of the font weight. It does look good though. It's fine. Okay, let's so okay, I'm gonna try to see, guys, if I can like scroll that up because it's just too small over here. So let's go back to homepage.style, and I want the content with like minimum width, height, 100 VH. Okay, view height. So now, come on. Oh my god, my computer is like, yeah. You can see that, guys. So now I can scroll, and also I can see that my navbar is working really nicely because the newsroom, which is like the, if you want, like the logo section, is disappearing, but the navbar is sticky, so it stays on the top. It gives us like this nice animation. It's really smooth. French accent, sorry. Okay, guys, don't want to get lost. Description, divider, and so okay, so now we're gonna take a look at the data section. Okay, so what we want is to import 3 icons, try to style the actual data section like horizontally, and align everything like so it can be really nice. Okay, so we have a bit of work on this part. So data section, okay, let's do it. Not homepage, article card. Okay, so data section, let's go display flex first. Okay, it's gonna do everything like this. Please, yes, thank you. And let's actually like import all of the icons so we can see. I think it's thumbs up. Yep. I want comment. Oops. Comment. Oh, it's not even giving me the comment. Auto-completion, please. No. Okay, so I guess I need to take a look at how it is actually named. Oh, I was really close. Okay, comment, chat, message, alt. You can't really like guess this one, and I think the other one is like arrow right. Is it camel cake? Okay. Let's see if this is actually working. So the thumbs up. We are going to rename all of those because it's just ugly. Is it working? Yes, you can see it's nice. Okay, so what I want to do, guys, is this as like as what is this one? Comment, and it's fine. Arrow right is fine. Arrow right. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Arrow right. In French is arrow right. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, but yeah, I did this one though. Okay, comment, and the last one is gonna be arrow right. It is gonna be actually after that, so it's more like this, and this is gonna be more like that. Not like that, like this. Please come. Okay, let's see how it looks. Ooh, what is it? Was that fun? Oh, comment. Oh, I know what I did. I think I have a typo over there. Yeah, comment. It's not gonna like it. Oh, no. Comment, please. Yep, nice. You can see that we have all of us. Oh, come on, like it's really slow. You can see this is like what we want. It's way bigger though than I thought. So we're gonna use they have like a property size, and you can add. It's gonna be a number though, so not like everything you want. You need to take a look at the documentation, but you can use 16, and I think this is the perfect one. It's exactly the same process as this one. Yes, okay, so okay, but it needs more space and stuff, so let's take a look. But at least we have everything now. I mean, it's a bit too many commands. 38, enough. So data section. Okay, there are gonna be a lot of things, and I want to explain to you why I'm gonna do this. So basically, the width is gonna be 70%. And I'm gonna have like background color to show you why I'm using this, okay? Light coral. And oh, I think I forgot to remove the one on the top. Okay. Okay, so now you can spot that I actually like wanted to use 70%, so it stop. So basically it adds some limit, okay? I don't want the actual section to go like just as wide as is the cards, because I'm going to use something that is going to push everything on both sides with some space in the middle. And you can use you can use space around, so you can use display flex, it's already done, and you can use like justify content. I think no, space between, so I think it's space between that. Oh no, space around. Okay, I'm gonna show you both, okay? Space, so space around is gonna add space around basically elements, okay? So if you do use this is gonna have some space here, space here, space here, space here, space here, okay? This is what I'm gonna use because I think it's pretty cool. But if you do space between, I mean, you guys speak better English than me, so you do understand that this is just gonna add some space basically between the elements. It's gonna push on both sides the actual start and end elements, and everything is gonna be centered in the middle, okay? You can actually use that, it's not that bad though. Just realizing that. But yeah, I'm gonna stick with space around. I think it's more consistent with what I wanted to do. Okay, a bit of margin button obviously because the card is way too close, 30 pixel, and let's see. I need to take a look first. Come on, wow. Okay, it's good. I need to add some space between the actual icon and the text. So I'm gonna actually target the actual span element because everything is a span inside that data section, and I'm gonna do like padding left or margin left. I'm gonna do padding left. 2 pixels is enough, okay? And I'm gonna just like font size gonna be like 13 pixels. Did I do this? I wanted to 10, but that should be a bit more. Okay, that's better. You can see that we have some space a little bit here. Okay, it's really small, it's really hard to get though, but it is there. And you can see that the actual icon is not centered vertically, okay? So let's remove the actual color. We don't need that now anymore. And let's add, let's add like vertical, aligned, centered. Okay. And this is gonna be like something that I'm gonna just you're gonna use that for all of the 3 items. Okay, so you take it, article card, and you put it here, here, here. Okay. I don't think I even need like icon and stuff, but anyway. Maybe after that. And then you have something really nice like this. Our card still needs some more, but it's starting to look like a nice card. Okay. Oh, I want that text to be underlined. So I think it's the more you do text decoration and underline, and it's gonna do the job. Please, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna add multiple cards to see what the actual work we did looks like if we have something a bit more like a classical website. If I have two, yeah, that's not what I want. I want something like display flex, like horizontally, right? So we need to do something, and that should be, I think, over here, article section. So homepage.style, yes, we don't have anything, right? So article, okay, I want to target everything like in the right order. So content, news container, article section. I think I don't even need a parent one, but anyway, we can refactor that at the end of the project. It's going to be a good exercise. Article section, did I make it something? Did I mess up something? Is it called article section? So this is the article card, article section. Okay, so we want, so the news container, we can add some padding at the news container. Padding actual top is gonna be 50 pixel. And display flex, obviously, for this one too. Okay, but the important one is this one, and this is gonna be display flex. And everything should be good. Need some work, yeah. Okay, we can see we had some padding on the top. Okay, so we have something I don't like, is like they are basically like stick to each other, right? So we need to change that. Sorry. I need to go to the article card, and basically over here, so first I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to have some margin over here. Okay, and I think you can have some zero margin, is going to be 0 pixel, 15 15 15. Sorry guys if I am a bit slow. I'm a bit tired, but I really wanted to do this so you can have the whole project. So yeah, please don't mind me. Nice, does look good. Okay, so now what we want is to have something a bit more dynamic. It's nice to see this, but this is exactly the same article, right? So, oh, I'm gonna show you something first. What if I have, I don't know, like 4 of them? What's going on? You can see that this is definitely what we want. This is going like, this is basically going out of the screen, okay? So I can't even like scroll. I can scroll, but this is definitely not what we want, okay? So what I want is automatically, I don't know, like I want to set like a width for my article section, and then everything that goes like just like beyond that is gonna just go back on the next line, okay? And there is something that you can use that is really nice with that. It's good for the basic behavior. If you want something a bit more like custom, you need to add some CSS, but this one is going to be good for our project. You go into this, you have so first you need to set the max width. So you remember guys, we're gonna have like a vertical quick section on the right, so we don't want to use the whole width, so not 100% but just 78. And to show you, I'm gonna use background color light cyan. Let's do light cyan, okay? Nothing gonna change now, just wanted to show you guys. So the actual limit is here, okay? So everything that just goes out of this, I want it to go back to the next line, okay? So what you do is you do flex wrap, and you do wrap, and that thing is just magic. Boom. It is just so cool, just too cool. Yeah. So let me remove that cyan stuff. And I want like a border right section. And I want it to be like solid 1 pixel, and let's do let's do black, okay, for now, and we can maybe decide if you want to keep that color for the... Okay, guys, that's nice. So now, to have something really nice, we want to make it dynamic, okay? So, home page, okay, we are going to import some data, okay? So import articles, okay, from, like I said, you need to have the data, assets and data. Come on, data, okay? And what you can do is use some JavaScript, okay? So you can use something inside curly braces, okay? You're going to do articles dot map, and then for each article, you want to display an article card, okay? More of like a component, okay? So if I let this like this, what is going to happen? For every article inside that array, okay, it's going to display the card, but the card contains hard-coded data, so it's just going to be like we had before, but with the right number. That's it. So for example, I can tell that first of all, it is not even working. What? Data articles. Did I? Oh my god, I'm tired. Did I? Articles. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. I am really tired. So basically we're gonna have like a bit of a list. Okay, so okay, there is like 4, so it's not changing anything. But what we want to do now is like going into the article card, and we want to use the props, okay? So for example, we're gonna have, instead of having this, we're gonna have a props, which is gonna be title, okay? And this is gonna come from this. So instead of using props.title over here, okay, instead of using something like that, okay, we are gonna destructure it, okay, right away. It's a good thing to do, okay? Just do title like that, okay? And then exactly the same description, okay? And you can add it, okay? And I think I forgot the image, okay? So just do image like that, and image over here, okay? I think this is everything we need to, like, for now, to make dynamic articles. But now we're gonna have an error, right? Because it's gonna say, what is this? Okay, we don't have anything. Look at this, it's just empty, okay? It's just very ugly, okay? So what you need to do is, now over here, you need to pass some props, okay? So we have image, okay? And the image is article dot, and we have access to every value for each key, okay? Each keys, because it's coming from data. Where is it? It's coming from that file, okay? So basically for each article we have, so this is going to be the source ID and everything, and we have an author, we have a title, description. You want to use that, okay? You want to use URL to image, okay, for the actual image, not URL. It's going to be like the article links for this one, okay? So for example, article image, okay? You go into homepage, and this is going to be like this, okay? But what I like to do, again, like I said, okay, is destructure it, okay? Instead of using and having some repetition like this. So you destructure it over here, and you do this, and you can do like this. Boom, okay? And what you do is the same for the rest. So title, you can actually use title, because I think it's title, if I do remember right, and I think it's description. Yeah, so that's nice. Description. Yeah. And if everything go, look at this, guys. And if we take a look at what we wanted to have, look at this, we made it, okay? So And obviously there is like that. It's going to be a really quick one. Okay. But I want to, to have a lot of energy to finish this. But I hope you did enjoy that part. I think it's really interesting. A lot of CSS and stuff. But yeah, so, let's go for the last part now. Okay. Part 4. Hey guys, so now we are going to tackle the last part of the project. So just for a reminder, we want to tackle this part. So it's going to be the right vertical, quick article section. Okay. It's going to be a quick one, but, it's going to be a nice, a fun one to do also. So we're going to keep this page open just like for a reminder. And then we're going to take a look at the code. So we left, last time, with this article section. So now we want to basically just have another section, which is going to be the right side. So we are going to call it quick info section. Yeah. If I'm not that good with naming, obviously you need to name, to have really good naming. So I would like take a second look at the end, but if you find another one, like just go with it. And then basically, let's see if everything is fine. Quick info section. Okay. Again, we are going to style it a little bit so we can see, where is it? Okay, let's add some background color like we do all the time, light blue. And we actually want to fix the width because we had 78. So just to be sure, we want to do 22. And let's take a look. Okay, so obviously we want to add some margin on that, on the left, so we can have like something kind of like the same of what we have in the article section. But it's working. Okay, so we are going to tackle that part. So let's do margin left. I would say, I don't know, 18 pixel, something like that. Okay, that's gonna work for now. So again, what do we want? We want something called quick card. Let's do this one, something like that. This quick card is gonna have a title and like just title, and basically it's gonna have also like a description, right? Description. Okay. And the class name will be again description. Is it working? Yes, it is. Okay. But again, like we did before, I want to take all of that like JSX into like independent components. So let's go to components, quick article card. Okay. Could be quick info, right? Let's do quick info card because it's not really an article. Quick info card. Again, index.js. We want, obviously we want, the actual, component file, and we want the style file. So quick info card.style.js, same thing all the time, but we try to be consistent. Okay, so shortcut, boom, and we want to rename that to far quick. Okay, what did I do? Oh yeah, obviously RSF. Okay, RSF. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not gonna do the same error. Okay, quick info card. Okay, let's do, let's basically copy paste. Let's cut that. Quick info card. Let's put it right there. Okay. I don't know what is this. Okay. Well, import. Can I do like quick? Yeah, thank you. Oh. And then again, we just want to do this. Thank you. Close it forever. And let's add right now the actual style component. Again, I call the container style container. It's going to be a div. And I think we have like card. Oh, what is the quick card? Quick card. Okay. And let's do background color. Like red. It's going to be really ugly, but anyway, just to see if everything is linked and everything is working. What if I do quick card directly? Yes. Nope. Yes. Okay. I should see my card. I don't. So first of all, I don't like that. I like when it's like this. Okay. Please. Okay. Quick info card. We do this. Let's see. Okay, it's working. It's because I have the blue on the top. Okay. Basically, let's get rid of the blue. 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 Thank you. Oh, I think the background color is not working though. Quick card. Maybe I'm quick card. Okay, let's see if I can style the actual, like if I do title. Okay. So the title would be what? Would be like font size 25 pixel? I don't know. It is not linked. Oh, don't tell me I didn't do this. Oh my god, I swear I swear I think I will always forget that. I just can't. My brain just doesn't want to. Form, then everything's gonna be red and stuff. I think I removed the red stuff. Yeah, I did. So quick info card, font size 25 pixel, and I do think that we need the font family, okay, because we want to change that. Font family, I think we can use the props again. Props, I think it's prop.theme.font.secondary. Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, this is just not possible. I'm gonna. So you can take into data and quick.json. Again, you need that data folder. Okay, so check out the comment section, the description section, or just the GitHub link. Quick. Let's take this one. Twips Twitter. Okay. Where is it? I'm just gonna hardcode some, some data, but at least it's better than just like blah 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 blah, as a description or as a title. Please, yes. At least we can see a little bit what it would look like if you left it like this, but we don't. So title is fine. We can. Nope, I want this. Title is fine. Description. Description could be like, I think we might need some padding though. Yes. Not some padding. I'm gonna do the font size first. Font size is 12 pixels too small. Ah, it's too small, right? Font size 15. 15 is fine. This might be a bit too big. No? This is fine though. But the title is way too close to the description, so we need some padding top. Like 5 pixels. That's good. That's good. A font weight we do like 3. Font weight. Do like 300. Yeah. Let's do like, oh sorry, let's do like font weight 600 also for this. So we can have a difference. Oh yes, but I do want that font family to be for the whole card. So yeah, right. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. What we can do is actually try it out if we have like 3 or 4. Okay, so now we can definitely see that we need to add some style between every quick info section, info articles, because it's just too close to each other. So this is where you go into this, and the article card, you do like, I don't know, you can do like, you can do margin bottom. I would say margin bottom. I think 20 pixels would be enough. That's good. That's good. Now we want to use basically some real data, right? So like I said, try to first code everything and hard code it with hard coded data. Okay, so it's really independent. Like even if it's an hard coded component, it doesn't matter. Then when you are really happy with it, try multiple component. You can see that there is some space that you need to work on and everything. Then when everything's done, like we did now, you can add some JavaScript, and then you can like map the component, map the array of data, and then to display the whole thing. But just like at the end, this is how we do. This is how I do. This is how I did also at PlayStation. When I was working on some front-end stuff. So now, I think you remember, guys, we need to add some JavaScript and also using props. I'm going to destructor that right away. And then, oh, this is going to be so much cleaner. Description. Oh, yes. I haven't set it right to the props. And boom. Oh, this is nice. It's not going to work now, obviously, because we need to take a look at what's going on in this page. And now we need to, we're still going to need that. But we need to, okay, I'm going to just put it there, and we need to import, how does it, quick. Oh, you can change the name if you want. Naming is really important, guys. If it was like a real, like ticket I was working on, like a feature or user story, I would like take a second look really at the end for variable naming, even component naming, everything. It's really important. Quick, obviously it's quick, and I think quick, yep. So what we want to do now is use some array method on that map, and then this is going to return not item, let's say, it's kind of like an article though still. And I want for every article to display that info card, obviously, but I want to pass some props in it, okay? Because you do remember, guys, sorry, I don't want that. You do remember, guys, that we set title to title, okay? Again, I can do something like this, okay? And I even have access to all of the value of each keys, but I can do this, but like I said, it's better like this. Okay. Yeah, much cleaner. And description is going to be the same. I just need to add it to the props. And then I think there is something also called description. Yes. So now, if everything is fine, that's nice. That's it. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the project. I might continue. I mean, tell me in the comment if you want me to continue. I can add some routing with the navbar. I can add some more pages and yeah, a database, whatever you want, guys. Just tell me. That was just me trying to yeah, come up with something fun to do. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, I see you next time. Cheers, guys.